Good afternoon. Today, 2022, July 23rd, Saturday. Just a Saturday. Today, I wish to share with you my way of removing the duplicate list and preserving the order. Not the sort order, but preserve the order. Okay, suppose that I got a list of the names, and unfortunately, I found one name, for example, Carol, duplicated. Then you want to find a clean list without a double of the names. It is possible. Or maybe double auto here. Okay. So it happens several times. So one time, okay, second time, third time, so. One very typical way you set, okay, we say that set then the print the set. When you run it, you won't have how many times Carol? One time only, okay. It seems to work, but unfortunately, the receiver order is quite random, so it's not a good solution. Okay, the set is not a good solution. So this means for this one line that you run it. Okay, so you can make a unique list using the set method. But it's not very efficient because the order now changed. Of course, there's one way though that if you always want to sort in alphabetical order, you can use this set method. Is that I sort it. Okay. Then you can all in alphabetical order. And the Carol name here is only one time. Okay, so it's good. But unfortunately, we may not always using sorting, right? Suppose that I wish to have, for a particular reason, I may want to have the order like this. Then this method doesn't work, you know. You always alphabetical order, so it's not the proper way. The proper way is use this import statement from collections import count. So, you see, they preserve the order. We start with Briar Pierce, Aaron, Hopkins, and what about Carol? One time only. So the best solution is to use count. And in this list, you could let count the list and you will form a unique list. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing this experience of how to make a unique list using Python. You see, if I remove this block, you'll be amazed. Suppose I make it a short one line as well. You may be amazed that using Python, I just use how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just use 3 lines and we get this with all the duplications we use. Think of other languages that may use for loops, whatever. So Python is easy and a lot of fun. Thank you.